We'll be adding our raw sugar and we'll be ready to make some breakfast. All right guys, we are back and we are ready. We have our waffle iron preheated and we are ready to go. Disclaimer guys, while I was letting my waffle batter proof, I sat it in an oven that was too warm. So my waffle batter is going to be a lot looser than your waffle batter will be. Just remember, do not place your waffle batter into a warm oven. It's okay to allow it to sit on your kitchen counter, covered with that tea towel for that hour and a half, okay? But this is still gonna make some amazing waffles and it is still thicker than your normal waffle batter. So what we're going to do, we're gonna place a scoop of our batter in the center of our Belgian waffle maker. You do not want to attempt to fill the waffle maker up because it is a Liege waffle. They're meant to be thick. They're not meant to be humongous. So in this aspect, you're just going to put that one scoop in the center of your Belgian waffle maker. You are going to let it go for the 3 minutes and we're going to come out with an amazing waffle. All right, it's time. Let's get our Liege waffle out of the waffle maker. Look at that. I brought you guys in close because I wanted you to be able to see that beautiful, beautiful waffle. And as you can see, nice golden brown and crispy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make another one. And guys, these waffles can be eaten as a snack as well as a breakfast item. So let's go. I'm going to continue to make these waffles, guys, and I'm going to sit down and have me a breakfast before I hit the gym. But I wanted to let you know, as always, get up, get out, and grow something and have faith in our food. And I'll see you the next time.